Imagine this. You gather your closest friends. They think it's just another casual get-together. Little do they know, adventure awaits. Planning a surprise travel adventure is a unique way to create lasting memories. The joy on their faces when they realize what's happening, priceless. It's about sharing unforgettable experiences. It's about the bonds we strengthen through travel. Let's be real, surprises this exciting come with challenges. Coordinating schedules can feel like air traffic control. Budgets vary, we want everyone comfortable. Choosing the right destination to please everyone, that's an art. But fear not, these hurdles are surmountable. Open communication is key. Present options, be flexible, and remember, the journey starts with planning. Step 1. Destination selection. Consider your friends' interests. Are they adrenaline junkies, history buffs, or beach lovers? Think about what excites them the most. Do they prefer the thrill of mountain climbing, the relaxation of a beach, or the intrigue of historical sites? This will set the tone for your entire trip. Step 2. Secret planning is your mission. This is where the fun begins. You need to be creative and think outside the box. This requires stealth and cunning. Plan in secret but make it exciting. The element of surprise is key. Create a shared online folder but keep it anonymous. Use code names and cryptic clues to keep your friends guessing. Drop cryptic hints about the destination. Make it a game. The more mysterious, the better. Step 3. Choosing the right group is crucial. Not everyone enjoys surprises. Make sure your friends are up for the adventure. Ensure your friends are adventurous and open to spontaneity. The best trips are those filled with unexpected moments and laughter. Section 4. A surprise unveiled, a moment to remember. Picture this. The city is alive with energy. The streets are bustling, and your friends are completely unaware of the surprise that awaits them. You've gathered your friends under the pretense of a birthday party. The excitement is palpable. Laughter fills the room, and everyone is having a great time, completely oblivious to the grand reveal that's about to unfold. As the clock strikes 8, you present them with personalized passports. Each one is meticulously crafted, bearing their names and a hint of the adventure that lies ahead. Confusion gives way to realization. The puzzled expressions slowly transform into wide-eyed wonder as they begin to understand the magnitude of your surprise. Shrieks of joy fill the air as you announce, "We're going to Italy." The room erupts in celebration, with everyone jumping, hugging, and shouting in sheer delight. Tears, laughter, and hugs abound, a testament to the power of shared adventure. The emotions are overwhelming, and the joy is contagious, spreading through the room like wildfire. This is the moment you've orchestrated, a memory etched in your hearts forever. As you pose for photos and prepare for the journey ahead, you know this is just the beginning of an unforgettable adventure. Section 5. Your adventure awaits. This is where the magic begins, where dreams turn into reality, and where the world becomes your playground. Planning a surprise travel adventure is challenging and rewarding. It involves meticulous research, careful consideration, and a touch of spontaneity. The joy of shared experiences, the strengthening of friendships, and the laughter shared along the way, and the memories created make it all worthwhile. Every photo taken, every landmark visited, becomes a cherished memory. Remember to choose your destination wisely, plan meticulously, and pack smartly. Each item in your bag should serve a purpose. Select your fellow adventurers carefully. The right company can turn a good trip into an unforgettable one. Don't be afraid to embrace spontaneity and enjoy the ride. Sometimes, the best moments are the unplanned ones. Now, go forth and create some unforgettable adventures. Let the excitement of the unknown guide you. Share your own surprise travel stories in the comments below. Your experiences could inspire someone else's next adventure. Let's inspire each other to explore the world, one surprise at a time. Together, we can make the world a smaller, more connected place.